Hi.
Hi. It is 2 days before Christmas. Her Christmas present from Sprout arrived. I got her a flip chair and an adjustable table, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put it together with her here because she's 18 months and she can see it early. I will put links below to the 2 items on Sprout website, and they are an incredible company. They're from the US. And it will be an affiliate link, and they gave a code which is 10% off any purchase if you use the code LauraLaws. So be sure to check that out. And I also will link below my unboxing of the floor bed and also of her toddler tower. And we love them both so much. And Sprout was like, we really want you to give your honest review of anything you buy. And I was so excited that they reached out to me because I was already on their website like eyeing what I'm gonna get next.
A
bouncy ball. Is that the kitty's bouncy ball? What is this, babykins? Oh, it's all in here. Here you go. Alright, Landon, we have 4 legs. We have 4 brackets. Landon, I think this is your chair.
Alright.
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 Alright. Can I fix your bow? Your bow looks very wonky right now.
No,
Okay. I don't know what this is. A box?
I didn't get the box.
It's a box. I don't know what it's for. Landon, this is your new table. This is what you're gonna color on. Alright, so I'm gonna put the cube chair together first. That is beautiful. I am so excited. Parts. There are 4 parts. Can you hold that for mommy? Thank you. This is just so cute, Landon. Okay, can you read mommy directions? Step 1. So this is the back. A. Apple. So we're looking for C. So CC. This matches up with CC. This is C. CC. Alright, pop A into C. Are you showing them the papy? The cheese? Are you saying cheese? Landon, can mommy have that real quick? Let me make sure. Okay.
Mommy,
You can take mommy's papy? It's gonna take a lot longer with an 18-month.
how did we go?
Alright, so we're gonna put this in meow
Yeah.
and then slide it.
Yeah.
Step 1. Here is B, which is your seat. Yeah, and then we're gonna meow and meow. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Say, oh yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah, baby.
All right. Step 3. I need the paper.
Go away.
Wait, how do you do this?
Yeah. Happy.
Mommy must be doing something wrong here, Lee.
Happy.
You're happy? Are you ruining mommy's directions over there? So I'm supposed to push until these are flush. And then push until this is flush.
No.
I think mommy messed up. How did I mess up? Oh, that's it. I did it. Landon, I think I did it. I'm a little sweaty. I'm gonna sit in your chair. What do you think of it? Look at your chair. Oh my goodness. I love it. When you get taller, Landon, We flip it. And then when you get even taller, flip it. Or you could use it as a table now. Yay! Alright, that took me a while. 20 minutes.
With the slanted surface facing out from the center of the table, place the large end of the leg into the double hole at the corner of the table and slide in.
Ta-da!
Until the middle tab pops into the slot, the bottom edge of the middle tab. You'll know it's all the way in when you can no longer see the bottom edge of the middle tab. Next, pull the dovetail towards you. To finish putting the table together, just repeat those steps with the other 3 legs.
You have a kitty book? You don't say. Alright, we're gonna have to come back to this one. Mommy's struggling on that one. Okay. You really just have to put your back into it. Honey, look at your new table. It is so beautiful. It's a table. Do you love it? You can color on it. And Mommy loves it. On the table. In front of your chair. A cup. Put your cup on the table. Oh, a pitcher. Put this on your table. And plate. And put your spoon. Oh, in your cup. Good job. Right, Mommy's gonna scoot you in. 1, 2, 3.
Mommy, keep it.
Yeah. So cute. This is your Christmas present. You can sit here and color soon. And we can eat snacks. Do you love it? Do you love it?
More snacks.
Oh, more snacks? Okay, Mommy will get you snacks. Yay, I love it. And the other great things with this table, they sell other size legs, so it will adjust up as needed.
Snack.
And then yes, snacks. So I guess we're about to have snack time. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching and checking out our unboxing. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.